What if I told you there's a weight loss powder that claims to help burn fat, control hunger, and even support your metabolism, all without taking any pills? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, thousands of people swear by it, while others say it's just another expensive protein shake. So today we're uncovering the truth about Almased, and trust me, the biggest surprise comes at the end, so don't skip this video. Welcome back to Medzy Health, your trusted source for honest health and wellness reviews based on science, not marketing. Today, we're taking a close look at Almased, one of the world's most popular meal replacement powders. We'll cover what it is, how it works, its benefits, possible side effects, and whether it's actually worth your money. Let's get started. First of all, Almased is not a medicine. It's a high-protein meal replacement powder designed to support weight management. Its main ingredients are non-GMO soy protein, yogurt powder, and natural honey. According to the manufacturer, this combination helps reduce hunger, supports muscle preservation during weight loss, and encourages the body to use stored fat for energy. But how does it actually work? The answer is surprisingly simple. When you replace 1 or 2 high-calorie meals with a protein-rich shake like Almased, your total calorie intake naturally decreases. That's the biggest reason people lose weight. Protein also keeps you feeling full for longer, making it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking throughout the day. Some research suggests that high-protein meal replacements can help support weight loss when combined with a healthy diet and regular physical activity. However, here's something many advertisements don't tell you. Almased is not a magic fat-burning powder. It doesn't melt fat while you sleep. The real secret behind weight loss is maintaining a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you consume. Almased simply makes that process easier for many people. So what are the benefits? Many users report feeling full for longer, experiencing fewer cravings, and finding it easier to stick to a reduced calorie diet. It's quick to prepare, rich in protein, and may help preserve lean muscle while losing weight. That's why it's become a popular choice for busy people looking for a convenient meal replacement. But before you decide to buy it, there's something important you should know. If you continue eating fast food, sugary drinks, and oversized meals while drinking Almased, you probably won't see significant weight loss. And if you stop using it without changing your eating habits, the weight can easily return. Remember this, Almased is a tool. It is not a miracle. Like any nutrition product, Almased may also cause mild side effects. Some people experience bloating, gas, or digestive discomfort during the first few days. Since it contains soy and dairy ingredients, it isn't suitable for people with allergies to those foods. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have diabetes, kidney disease, or any serious medical condition, it's always best to consult your healthcare provider before starting any meal replacement program. So, who should use Almased? It may be a good option for adults who want a convenient way to reduce calorie intake, increase protein consumption, and support a structured weight loss plan. However, it's not recommended for children, and it should never replace a balanced diet for the long term. Now for the final verdict. Is Almased worth buying? If you're looking for an easy meal replacement and you're willing to combine it with healthy eating and regular exercise, Almased can be a helpful part of your weight loss journey. But if you're expecting it to burn fat without changing your lifestyle, you'll probably be disappointed. No powder can replace healthy habits. The best results always come from consistency, balanced nutrition, and an active lifestyle. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Medzy Health, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of trending health products. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.